Hey vlog, decided to do an impromptu video because today is Chinese reunion dinner. So it happened that I've finished my dinner, and in fact I think this is one of the videos that I really wanted to record. Also credits to Eric Feng because he also did one video, so I also decided to do one video. And this whole journey was more about, after learning metaphysics, right? Everything started to fall into place better. And in fact, I think this is during that reunion dinner, I think that was one of the most fruitful conversations I had with my parents, especially my mom. Thus, I wanted to do this vlog. And where will this vlog lead you to? It's actually ending with this last title. Maybe I would like to say, maybe it's time to become a vegetable seller. So I'm just gonna mash out a few segments together, and I'll show you why. So basically, I've reached the store that my mom comes over here to work, and she sells vegetable. And my mom only started this role, I think, for like one year ago. So one of the things that I came to my mind is like, because it's definitely selling vegetables is quite a physically demanding role. So that's why whenever I just want to do my best to let her rest. But the thing, how does it even relate to Chinese metaphysics? I think everything just fell into place on retrospective, because the one day that she started talking about like how she's able to like sell all the vegetables for her boss, and that feedback didn't just come from herself, but it also came from the fellow auntie companions that was also working at this store. So yes, I just want to brag about my mom, that she's awesome in selling vegetables. And the key thing was, while she was talking about selling these vegetables experience, there was nothing that I've ever heard when she was working as a dishwasher in the previous role. So I'm not sure if it's serendipity of things that have happened, but it has activated one of the profiles in the Bazi chart, which is the indirect wealth. Because the indirect wealth refers to people who have an affinity to do business. I wouldn't say the affinity to do business is that I must start a business, but instead, because she works for someone else, but she treats the business like her own, such that every time she sells the vegetables there, she knows when to do it, when to go with the flow of how to negotiate prices, which is one of the things that never ever come as smooth to me as possible. So in hindsight, everything just like fell into place. What I learned in Chinese metaphysics, especially Bazi. So it's been almost 3 to 4 years that I'm learning Chinese metaphysics, just observing at the side. Maybe you can say that it's self-fulfilling prophecy or my bias, but hey, I guess the key thing is that if having a better optics to better assemble team members into my team, if I can use Bazi to help me do that, why not? Right? But rather than of course the other alternative is to just whack and just do a gamble. But definitely right now I know that through the observations over the last 3 years, it has definitely strengthened my own knowledge, and also reminded myself that hey, whenever I see someone's chart, I would at least have a better optics into what the person is talented in, has affinity in. So I'm not sure, but anyway, today is the Chinese reunion dinner, so that's why the whole market is closed right now. It's around like 7, and I purposely walk over here just to document this thing down. If you happen to watch this video to the end, means there should be an affinity. If you ever want to just, if you happen to be a team leader or you are in another industry and you find that you want to assemble a team and you have the birthdates of the team members that you have, kindly just hook me, oops, I almost say hook me up. Kindly just PM me and I'll see whether I can do my best for you, because I guess it's providing value first, and as of now I still can do consultations for free until the day that I fully get booked throughout the weekend. Then probably you need to pay for my services. So this is what I wanted to document down in this vlog. And yes, have a great Chinese New Year ahead. Bye.